Considering the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones 2nd Gen? This 2025 review reveals why these might be your ultimate premium noise-canceling headphones. Bose has truly outdone itself, delivering an unparalleled blend of active noise cancellation, rich sound quality, and supreme comfort that's hard to beat. While many seek the best noise-canceling headphones for travel or daily use, these 2nd Gen Ultras deliver, addressing key issues from their predecessors. You'll find a slightly richer sound profile and even more effective adaptive noise cancelling, all accessible with 10 adjustable levels through the intuitive companion app. Despite fierce competition, especially from Sony on pure ANC strength, Bose's adjustability and overall performance make them a top contender. Remarkably, they've become even more comfortable, especially around the ear cups, and boast a significant jump to 30 hours of battery life, up from 24. Even better, they now support passive playback with an auxiliary cable, meaning your music never stops, even if the power dies. With improved wear detection, a smart lay-flat mode, and the same premium $449 price point as the 1st Gen, these Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones 2nd Gen feel more refined than ever. Don't miss out on what could be your best audio investment this year. Find links to buy these incredible noise-canceling headphones in the description below, and experience true tranquility.